So I got to Disney this morning to visit Madison.
I picked her up from the airport after a crazy morning.
Yeah, she got a flat tire on the, like right when she was about to leave to pick me up.
I drive over to the fire department because I realized that like my tire's flat. I asked Disney like housing security if they could help me, and they said no, they can't touch my car because of a liability issue. And I was like, okay, whatever. And I knew there was a fire department nearby. So I drive over there, I ring their doorbell at like 6:30, like 5 firemen come answer the door. And I ask them if they know how to change a flat tire, and they call over their chief, and the chief says no, and then I just burst into tears because I knew I had to pick her up from the airport and she was waiting, and I didn't know what else to do because nothing was open. And then the chief felt bad, and he basically just like went out there and helped because I was just crying right in front of him.
We had breakfast at 1900 Park Fair, which was really good.
We had the strawberry soup, the family strawberry soup. It was so
Madison's
good.
obsessed.
I had
It's all
two
she's
bowls.
talked about.
I dipped everything I could in it.
And then we went to Cast Connection, which is like a Disney employee store, and then
We went to Michael's to get craft supplies.
to paint pumpkins. So that's what we're doing now.
Oh, we also went to go get my tire
Oh
patched.
yeah, obviously we had to go get her tire patched. So then while we were waiting, we walked over to Publix, which was right next door, and they had pumpkins. And so we're like, okay, we're gonna do pumpkins. So I did an up pumpkin, and Madison did the Pixar ball. So we finished our pumpkins most of the way, and we're gonna go ride the Skyliner.
It's really fun. I've ridden it before.
We're also staying in Art of Animation this time, which we've only stayed in the All-Stars before, so that's pretty cool. And the Skyliner stops here, so
We got the Little Mermaid room.
yeah, so we'll give you a room tour.
The room is kind of messy. This is the decorations. I got a king-size bed. Ignore everything we bought. There's a mirror. And then the table has the lyrics to Under the Sea. This cool thing with a fridge. Whoa. TV. Cool little hat hook. Another mirror. Oh, and then the tub is really cool. It's like you're under the sea. And Ariel is on the shower curtain.
We were gonna go ride the Skyliner, but if you can hear that, it's thunder and lightning, and it's literally... Do you hear the thunder? So I guess we're not gonna ride the Skyliner, we're just gonna go explore the lobby of Art of Animation. We decided to go to Disney Springs for
Chicken Guy.
We're gonna go get Chicken Guy, and then we're gonna go to like World of Disney because we need to spend more money, I guess.
Turned too early.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, I can get it over here.
Madison has gotten us lost today like 6 times.
It's such a confusing area now.
So,
Just lost.
it's 11 p.m. We went to the ferry boat launch to watch the Halloween Magic Kingdom fireworks, which was really cool. We were going to go to the Polynesian beach, but we couldn't get over there. And then we were trying to get back to Art of Animation, which is our hotel, and the road is closed. So we have literally been driving around for like 30 minutes trying to get around, and we keep making wrong turns because the GPS sucks. So we were just about to go to bed, and we kept hearing weird noises. We looked outside, and they're testing the fireworks, and of course now that I get the camera, they stopped. But Hollywood Studios is testing out their Christmas fireworks. Maybe they'll do more. Oh, see? You can see the lights. You can see some. So that's cool. Apparently you can see Hollywood Studios fireworks from Art of Animation. We're on our way to MK, and in the parking lot it had a sign that said we're 164 elephant steps. Sorry for the humidity. To the front, like the front of the park. So Madison's taking elephant steps.
And you can also make out a few of these black vultures hanging around. These vultures do not belong to us. They are invaders. Whoa.
Little baby
There are these
giraffe.
simple looking around wildlife there. And definitely a good view of these baby giraffes right here. Giraffes could definitely use the I wasn't gonna risk it. There we go.
We rode the safari and now we're walking around the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail.
We just saw some really cool gorillas eating.
Yeah. We've never been over here before. Oh look! You can see the Acropolis.
The water
This gorilla just chilling. This little donkey.
Look at his mouth.
Where are you going? Hey Joe, you out there?
Yep.
So he's making that little noise I was telling you about.
The barking.
We'll see if you can hear it.
Wait! It's leading right to Truth Nerve Show.
Bravo, you're here, and you're safe, and you're safe, and you're here, and you're here.
Miles does. Are you ready? Alright guys, let's get that countdown. 1, 2, 3. And
I'm doing like this.
What if it's part of like the Peacock family? We're leaving Animal Kingdom now. It's super hot.
It's like extremely hot.
I think it's like the hottest day we've had in a while. We're currently on the way to Magic Kingdom. Do you have any words for your day so far?
I'm hot and sweaty and my hair is frizzy because it's humid. And
I feel the same.
we did the Gorilla Falls walking trail, which I had never done before. And that was extremely cool.
We went this way. We're from this way.
Oh, we gotta go this way. But yeah, I feel like one of my favorite things about Animal Kingdom is every time I go, I like find something new.
That is true. Yeah, I agree with that.
Like we did the Maharaja Wild Trek too. They had like tigers, which we didn't see, and like the Komodo dragon, stuff like that. So it was cool.
What's the one we did earlier with the gorillas?
The Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail.
Oh yeah, that one was cool. They had a baby gorilla.
Yeah, it was 6 months old.
And then the baby gorilla had a sibling, and the sibling hated.
3 siblings.
Well, one of the siblings, I think it was a brother, hated the little baby,
Yeah.
the 6-month-old baby, so it was just giving it the stare down. It's actually really funny. Got some garlic knots. These were pretty good.
Oh yeah, pizza safari. And then where else did we eat?
Yak and Yeti. We got Yak and Yeti.
Oh, I was disappointed.
It was okay.
And
it was
then-
like a expensive Panda Express.
We rode Navi River Journey, Dinosaur. I rode Everest twice without her.
That is true, but I did record it, so we'll insert that footage.
We did the safari this morning.
Oh, we did Up's Great Adventure, whatever it is.
Oh yeah,
Up's.
A Great Bird Adventure, which
Up,
we hadn't done
a
that
Great
either.
Bird
So we went to Rafiki's Planet Watch and we drew TikTok the crocodile from Peter Pan. So this one's Madison's. And this one's mine. Also, Madison got me a custom magic band. It has my name. And Steamboat Willie, look how cool.
Why do you keep breaking? Break for Jesus, don't break for me.
We're at Magic Kingdom.
Watch us get free parking.
Oh my god.
Welcome, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Here's a Tron update. They added these like gray bars. And it looks like maybe some more track.
This looks so good.
Thank you. No, thank you.
You sure? Thank you, you too.
Yeah.
These look so good.
So we got the Arendelle Aqua Cone and the Peter Pan float. So Madison has been talking about these cream cheese stuffed pretzels. So we just got one. It's actually really good. So we just rode Space Mountain and we rode The Little Mermaid.
We rode Splash Mountain twice.
Oh yeah,
That's
we have a story. We were on Splash Mountain, and this, I guess the wait was like 105 minutes, but we had a fast pass. And all 3 rows in front of us was one family, and they were mad that they had to wait for 2 hours, but like nobody made them wait.
They could have gone
So the whole time they were flipping off like the animatronics. They were flipping off every drop because they didn't know which one had the camera. Literally all 5 of them like stuck their middle fingers up.
Both hands.
And the whole time they were just being like really vulgar. So when we got off, we told like one of the cast members, and they let us ride again. So it's cool.
It was a better ride the second time. Anyway.
Yeah, way better. Because the first time was literally so awkward because they were just like, all of them were just like mad.
It's kind of trashy to do it for like when other people are in your vlog too.
And like it's Disney, and it's not really appropriate, but oh well.
Aw, guys, look! It's a little boa sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. I hear he can develop a crush on you. It's quite the constricting relationship, though. I don't recommend it. I've actually got snake repellent over here in my camp. We're just gonna swing by it. Yeah, we're not gonna do that either. Looks like my in-laws are in town. I really don't want to go in there.
We're in Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
So we closed Magic Kingdom last night, and we're opening Magic Kingdom this morning. And then
We have reservations to the Crystal Palace at like 10.
guys,
I'm excited for that.
so excited. Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Eeyore, and Piglet are all gonna be there. It's like my dream come true. And we're also doing all 4 parks today. So we're doing Magic Kingdom, then Hollywood Studios, then Animal Kingdom, then Epcot to see the new fireworks, which everyone says aren't that good, but I'm so excited.
Which ones?
Epcot forever.
Yeah, they're not that good.
I'm so excited. So we're in Pandora, and we got a cheeseburger steamed pod from Satuli Canteen. This is what the inside looks like. It is 7:20. We just made it to Epcot. There's Spaceship Earth over there. And we've officially been out for 12 hours. We've completed 3 parks. We are on park number 4. And we have like 4 hours here. So we're riding the Skyliner. Madison's already rode it. There's Art of Animation, that's where we're staying. There's Pop Century. There's Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
Welcome aboard the Disney.
This is where they're building the Ratatouille ride. There's the hitchhiking ghost. You can't really see it. Mickey and Minnie, Pooh and Piglet, Tigger. We walked over to Pop Century, and they have Baloo. I ended up getting a Mickey pie, and Madison got an oatmeal cream pie.